Hello, it's Mocoin, your crypto instructor. So welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be talking to you about Kin ecosystem. In my previous video, I've talked about means where you can earn Kin. For example, I talked about PeerBet, how you can earn Kin playing bet, and I also talked about Just Joking, how you can earn Kin posting memes, and I also talked about how to withdraw your Kin from these two platforms. Now in this video, I'll be talking about all the apps, all the platforms where you can earn Kin free of charge. Watch this video to the end so that you can learn means where you can earn Kin. So Kin is a cryptocurrency, a digital currency just like Bitcoin, and it has a lot of utility, a lot of use cases. Let's dive in. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the platforms where you can either earn Kin or use Kin to do one thing or the other. So these platforms are, we have number one here, we have the CoinSkate, is an app. Don't worry, I will talk about them in details. We have the Pago, we have the blog games, we have the Fiyer, we have Just Joking, we have Kick, we have Madlipz, we have Post4, we have PeerBet, we have Perfect 365, Platoshi, Pop In, and Rave. So all these platforms are in Android. So these ones, you can see almost the ones are in Android are also in iOS. That is for those using iPhone. You can also have these. Then these are the web version. So these platforms are only on the web. We have the Astrobot, we have the Cafeteria, we have the CoinSkit, we have the Giftery, we have the Kimbit, Kurobi, we have the Peep, we have the Tiga, we have the Peck Exchange. All these things operate under the Kin ecosystem. Okay, let's quickly take a look at these platforms one by one. Now, on the first in our list, we have PeerBet. Now, I already made a video on how to use and how to interact with PeerBet, and soon I'll also be dropping a video on how you can earn money in PeerBet every 30 minutes. So you can see PeerBet is a platform you earn Kin while playing bet. Okay, the second one in our list is Just Joking. Just Joking is a place where you post memes and earn Kin. This is strictly for posting and for reacting on memes. They call clap. Like when you clap on memes, you earn Kin. As well, I also have a detailed video on how to earn Kin in Just Joking. So simply check out the video and make sure you watch it. Now, these Rave platforms, it allows you to watch YouTube videos, watch Netflix videos. You watch videos on platforms with people, not alone. You know the fun of watching videos and movies and all those with people around. Rave allows you to do that. Rave connects you with the kind of people that are interested in what you are also interested in, so that you and them, maybe if it is in watching one particular movie, you can watch it together. And Rave also, they provide a means where you can earn Kin while you watch all these things together and while you interact and watch all these things. You can also chat with those people you are watching the video and the other thing with. Pago, this is a place where you showcase your skills, what you get, what you love doing. In this place, it's kind of a freelancing. You tell people the kind of service you render, why you do it for them, and they pay you in Kin. You can also hire people to do one service or the other for you while you pay them in Kin. And you can also do a lot of other services in this platform. Pop.in, though not available in Nigeria, but is available in US and some other countries. Now this is a game. It's kind of a casino game. It allows you play casino games, and it also allows you play dice and other fun games. Now Pop.in is a platform where you play game with real life people online. So as you are playing the game, you can interact with them by chat, or you can even interact with them by video call. If you're not in Nigeria, you can quickly check if Pop.in is allowed or is available in your country and tell me in the comment section. Platoshi. Now in this platform, you watch ads. As you watch those ads and videos, you are earning Kin, and this Kin you are earning, you can also use them to purchase other things in the platform. You can use them, you can spend them in the platform. Post4. Now in this Post4, it allows you to earn Kin by simply doing nothing. Maybe you are idle, your data is on, but you are not doing anything with your phone. You can just go into and start earning kin while you just relax and start doing one thing or the other. Madlipz is a platform where you post funny videos and you earn kin when people watch and interact with your videos. In this platform, Madlipz, there are already made videos. All you have to do is just pick these videos and voice over them and make them more funny so that when people watch, they can interact with your profile, thereby you earning more kin. Kick. Kick is a messaging and a chat app. In this app, you chat with your friends, you message your friends, chat with your contact, and you make new friends. And also in this app, you can also earn kin while you do all those things you love doing, all those things you do on Facebook and all the you earn by doing them in this platform. So tell me in the comment section, among all the platforms I have listed, which are you going to try first? My top 3 are Just Joking, Pause4, and PeerBet. Now, I want to ask, which among these of my top 3 will you try first? Will you try Just Joking first? Will you try Pause4 or PeerBet? Which one will you try first? Tell me in the comment section the one you will try first. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share this video so it can reach more people. Thank you.